I've definitely waited too long to swap these out. Let's do it. Alright, so all you'll need are the two wiper blades, a 22-inch one for the driver's side and a 21-inch one for the passenger side. I've tried several brands over the years for the Pilot, and I've found these Bosch Icons work the best. They last a long time, and also they have the least amount of chatter when being used. I'll put a link of the product in the description below. Also, I like to have something to prevent the arm from damaging the windshield during the replacement, since the arms are spring-loaded. So I'm just going to use this little container. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is put this container underneath the end of the wiper arm to prevent any damage. And to remove the arm, lift up on the cover, push up, and out. Now grab the 22-inch arm, squeeze this tab right here, and lift up on the cover. Grab the arm, place it through the hole, over, until you hear the click. Then reattach the top cover. Okay, and it's the same procedure for the passenger side. Lift up on the top cover, just squeeze these little tabs right here, and then pull down on the wiper arm to release it from the hook. Now get the smaller of the two blades, squeeze on the tabs, get the cover up, thread the arm through the wiper blade, put it in until you hear the click, and then replace the top cover and gently place the blade down onto the windshield. Alright, if you happen to like what you see, please consider clicking like, commenting, and becoming a subscriber. Thank you.